Hey guys, are you currently looking for a home here at Lake of the Ozarks, one that would require little to no maintenance? Then I've got the perfect property for you. We're here at the towers of Parkview Bay. This penthouse condo has more square footage than most homes in this price point at just under 5,900 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, with all the bathrooms being private ensuites. I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Let's go check it out. One of the best features about this penthouse condo is the views overlooking the lake as well as the state park right across. If you'd like more information on this penthouse, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks and have a great day.